If you're somebody that needs multiple tabs open, let's say for presentations, or maybe when you are on a Zoom call, and you know that oftentimes you need to open up all of 5, 6, 7, 10, or 20 tabs in order to prepare for something, a shortcut in Google Chrome is to save all of these tabs and have the ability with one click to reopen them at any time. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll show you guys the way that I do it. So for instance, I present in artificial intelligence. And when I do these presentations, I like to have obviously my presentation open, but also I like to have various types of videos that I've created. For instance, how to create logos using AI, or this zoom out tutorial that I've created. Also, I've created something where I created a deep fake of Elon Musk speaking in Polish. I want to feature all of these things that I've done. And so what do? Well, the first thing is you have to hit these three dots right here. It's to the right of your Google Chrome browser. Now make sure you are using Google Chrome for this because it's a tutorial on Google Chrome. So when you go to those three dots and you hover over help, you go to the About Google Chrome. Here you will see that my Chrome is up to date. Yours is very likely not, so then you would just click update and wait for it to update and relaunch. Once you've done that, you do have to go to Chrome://flags, and I will leave that link in the description. Once you go here, you're going to search for a tab in the search bar up top, and over here you will see there's an option, Tab Groups Save and Sync. You're going to select Enabled. Typically this is set to default, so you will have to enable it. Now, once it's enabled, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead, relaunch Google Chrome, and then open up all of the tabs that you want to save there. So in my case, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tabs. Then I'm going to right click on a tab, and then I'm going to select Add Tab to New Group. I'm going to choose a color, and then I will write AI Presents as the title for the group, and then I'm going to select here Save Group. Now what I do is I take all of these other tabs and I simply slide them to the left so that they are a part of the group. And also you can change the order a bit as well. So I will slide all of these tabs in, and now you see that AI Presents is a tab group with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tabs. Now, if I go ahead and I X out of this, so now if I relaunch Google Chrome, what I have to do is I have to select these three dots here. Once I do that, I can simply go to Bookmarks, and you see over here it says Show Bookmarks bar. So you can also press Control-Shift-B and it will bring this up, AI Presents. And if I select this, voila, all of my tabs are open. Now I know it's a bit of a tedious process, however, it is helpful if you're going to be accessing these tabs and often, especially if you have 20 tabs, 30 tabs open and you need all of them open. This is how you can save your tabs, and then this is how you can get Google Chrome to recall and show all of your tabs that were open. Now I hope that helps you out. If it helped you out, help me out. Give this video a like, leave a comment, keep me motivated to keep creating content like this, and I will see all of you in the next video.